Oh, hi. Hi, I'm Frank May, owner of the Great Backyard, here with you again. I'm here to talk about making pool ownership more fun and less work. A lot of us would like to own a pool, but we just have this idea that we're going to get a pool and we're going to get a problem. We want to urge you to think of all the benefits that could come if you make a little bit of extra investment to lessen your burden of work and increase your time of play.
Got my backyard at the Great Backyard.
So here at the Great Backyard, we have put together what we call the WorkFree package. It can be added on to any in-ground or above ground. The idea behind the WorkFree package is to reduce the amount of work that you're doing to ensure a good, clear quality of water so that at any given point, you, your kids, your friends can all gather around the pool, know that it's ready, jump in the pool and just have a great time. And you don't have to budget or bracket large amounts of time on the weekend to take care of the pool. As much as possible, we want your pool to bring you together and bring in the good times. So we're going to consider point by point the various elements that make up the WorkFree package and the attributes of each of these items that makes pool ownership easier and offers a level of assurance in good quality swimming water at all times. So first of all, let's start with water sanitation. Nobody wants to jump into a green pool, do they? So the first trick is to keep the water clean and clear. We do that through filtration and water treatment. Because after all, this big body of water is an ecosystem and it has to be maintained. And the water has to be circulated, filtered, and sanitized continuously. So what is the alternative to automate water treatment and reduce chemical consumption? This is where minerals come in. We offer you the exclusive algae-free guarantee that comes in mineral water pool ownership. So the frog system is plumbed in line. It contains 2 cartridges. One is chlorine and one is the minerals. The active ingredient in the mineral pack is silver. The chlorine is here to supplement what the silver can't quite cover. But the silver itself will reduce the need for a sanitizer up to 80% in the pool. It's as close to chemical-free as you can get in a swimming pool environment. At the beginning of the season, you simply buy a new mineral cartridge. You insert it into the system periodically, roughly every 3 weeks. On a 24 round, you're going to replace the chlorine, screw the lid on. You're going to keep the chlorine dialed back to almost zero. It's going to be similar to the water coming out of your tap in its chlorine level, just a little above that. Now, you combine the silver and the chlorine with liquid copper algistat that you pour in twice a year. And this is what gives you our exclusive algae-free guarantee, which means that if you have an algae bloom in your pool, we're going to pay for the water treatment, the chemicals, to clean it up. So next up is this magic powder that we call Crystal Clear Supreme. It's basically a borate. So what we're doing in the pool by pouring borates in is we're converting it from a carbonic base to a boratic base water, which makes the water virtually inhospitable to algae, because plants need 2 things. Algae needs 2 things to live, right? It needs light and it needs carbon dioxide. We sequester the carbon dioxide with the Crystal Clear Supreme, which is another sort of inoculation against algae, which gives you the utmost assurance, if this system is maintained, that you will not have to endure a bout with algae in your pool. The second benefit to Crystal Clear Supreme is that the water is silky and soft and hospitable to swimmers. No more eye burns from high chemicals or very acidic water. It smells good. It feels good. It feels clean when you get out of the pool instead of sticky. It has a remarkable effect on the quality of water all around, and the customers that use it continue to use it because they know the benefits of this product. Next up is a unique nanotechnology that you simply pour into the pool, and it forms a microfilm on top of the water and inhibits evaporation up to 80%. Furthermore, because it blocks vapor, you lose far less heat, which is especially important in the early and late swim season. Right now, I'm going to look at what's called the PreFilter. To reduce the amount of cleaning, or to extend the cleaning cycle, in the WorkFree package, we install a PreFilter that comes not only with a skimmer basket, which is common to all skimmers, but with a filtration sock, as we call it. So this sock will filter much finer particles before they actually get to your cartridge filter than will the basket. The basket is for leaves and twigs. The sock is for larger particles and plant debris. And then finally, the last line of defense is that cartridge filter we discussed before. Next up, we have security and extending usability. The danger in having an unlit pool at night with top-mounted lights is that all of the light is reflected off the surface of the water. You can't see anything under the surface of the water. Your little kid is in there swimming, goes underwater, you can't see where they are. So it's very important to actually put a light under the body of water to illumine the whole swimming area so that you can see everything taking place under there, which also makes it a much more hospitable swim environment at night for our kids to enjoy their play. Next up, we have a pool alarm, as required by the state of Tennessee in the Katie Beth law. A pool alarm mounts beneath the surface, and when there's over 15 pounds of disturbance in the surface of the water, the pool alarm will sound a siren. Finally, there's the removal of debris from the bottom of the pool. That's pool vacuuming. Nobody likes the idea of going out there with a hose, filling it with water, and priming it, plugging it into the skimmer, and pushing a pole around for 2 hours, when you could simply take a robotic cleaner, plug it in the wall, press the on button, flick it in, and call it quits. Come back later and the whole job's done. The beauty of the robot is that it is as plug and play as it comes, whereas those other units were dependent upon hydraulics and the dynamics of the hydraulic system in your pool environment. This right here runs completely independent of your filtration system, has no dependence on water movement whatsoever, and it actually maps out the pool so that it can vacuum the pool as quickly as possible. This thing is designed to get in there and get it done fast in a flat bottom above ground pool. Our top opening cleaners are very easy to clean out as well. You simply pull the unit out with a cord and lift it by the handle. All the water drains out of the front, making it very light, and you open up the lid, you remove the basket, dump the leaves out, put it back in, and you're done. Cleaning is as simple as plug and play. Combine all these things together, and we've tackled most of the hurdles that prevent people from diving into the fun of pool ownership. Knowing that your kids would love their summers so much more, pool ownership can be far more play and far less work with a WorkFree pool. I hope this video has been helpful. I'm Frank May from The Great Backyard.